This is Gina's grandfather's recipe for cooking mussels. Very, very simple. Mussels that we got today, Jack and I, and put them in a pot. First you sort of scrub them and clean them. Put lemon on them, which is lemons from our garden. These are Meyer lemons. So you put a lot of lemons, cover the whole surface. Then parsley, quite a bit of parsley all over, like that. And then olive oil. And what this does is it just relies on the freshness of the mussels. No other spices in it. A little water. And that's it. And then you will cover it with a cloth and then steam it just until they open. You don't want to overcook them.
Hey, thanks for tuning in. Make sure to check out our website at www.kimweston.com, where you can check for upcoming workshops and browse through our collection of silver gelatin photographs. You can also subscribe to our newsletter to know what the first family of photography is up to in the photographic world. Thanks again.